Hello dear friends, welcome on our YouTube channel Gilata Technical. Today is the 4th September and today we will discuss daily current affairs for September's all current affairs. And this channel will provide daily current affairs and it is a very important for all government exam like UPSC, GPSC and any government exam. Then we discuss first question. Question number first is recently India has signed agreement with which country's defense department for an unmanned aerial vehicle. Then the India has signed agreement with USA. Then your option number A is right option USA. India has signed agreement with USA Defense Department for an unmanned aerial vehicle. Then option number A right option. Question number 2. Recently passed away Chandan Mitra was a famous. Chandan Mitra was dead last some days ago. And the Chandan Mitra was a famous journalist. Then option number A is right option. Option number A. Next question. Who has been appointed as the CMD of Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited? Then the new CMD of Rashtriya Ispat Nigam is Atul Bhatt. Then your option number A is correct option here. Option number A. Next question. Which agency's Mars rover has received the first sample of stone for return? Then the NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, is one of the biggest agency of American space research. Option number A is the correct option for this question. Okay, you want it? Next question. Who has recently become the highest goal scorer football player? Then Cristiano Ronaldo is the highest goal scorer football player in this world. I am talking about world. It is a talking about a worldwide. Okay, then your right option is Cristiano Ronaldo. Next question. Recently, the Prime Minister of which country has announced resignation? Then your right option is option number B. Japan's Prime Minister has announced resignation. Okay, then option number B is correct option. Next question. Which state has declared snow leopard as its state animals? The Ladakh is declared snow leopard as its state animal. Then option number C is 100% right option. Next question. Which country has recently fined WhatsApp €225 for privacy violence? Then Ireland is a fined WhatsApp to €225 for privacy violence. Okay, then option number A is 100% right option here. Question number 9. Who will host 12th Defense Expo 2022? Here your right option is Gujarat. Option number A is 100% right. We will see here something about Gujarat. Then Gujarat is a formation in 1 May 1916 and Gujarat's capital is Gandhinagar. You see here, and largest city in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. Gujarat have 33 districts. See here. Okay, we see next question. Recently, how many new members have been recognized by the New Development Bank? Then New Development Bank is only 3 new members have been recognized. Okay, then your option number B is 100% correct. Please tell me how you feel after you doing this class. Okay, in comment box. Thank you very much.